everyone. Today we're going to be talking about our new phonics concept for the week. So this week we're working on just one new sound, and it's the sound that the digraph PH makes. So Miss Demos has this on a little piece of paper here. And PH, when we see it later on in the week when we're doing our word and sentence dictation, it's always going to have this little squiggly line under it, so you know to put PH there. And PH is the sound that we hear at the beginning of words like phone and photo. And today you're going to brainstorm some other words that have PH in them. Now, before we do that, I just want to show you something interesting about PH. We've actually learned to spell the sound F, which is the sound that PH makes, in two other ways. So we know that when we use the letter F on its own, that makes the F sound. And when we use the FF sound, that also says the same sound. And FF usually comes at the end of a word or can come in the middle of a word, and it often comes at the after a short vowel sound. So this is part of our SAMI rule, which we've learned pretty well. And then today we're talking about the digraph PH, which also is a third way to spell that sound. So on a blank piece of paper, you and someone at home, you can do this with a sibling or a parent or whoever's at home with you. Today you can brainstorm words that have PH in the beginning of the word, like phone, words that have PH in the middle of the word, like elephant, and words that have PH at the end of the word, like graph. So you can go ahead and do this on your own, and something to note is that you might need help. So PH, it sounds the same as both our FF SAMI rule sound and just F. And so you might need to ask, is it PH that I'm hearing at the beginning of frog, or is it an F? And we'll learn more over time as we practice this week. But today, just get some brainstorming in, and I'll check back in with you later on in the week.